Um, it's currently 8 a.m. 8? Yeah, 8. Managed to get up at 6 a.m. naturally. Like, thank God, man. Thank God he woke me up in time today, because we found the setup. We had some drinks last night with some friends, and we woke up on time. We saw the setup, and rather than repeating yesterday's mistakes of sleeping in, I thought, do you know what? I'm going to go downstairs and turn the PC on, and we're going to analyze this and see if we can get entry. And we did, and we are in profit. So already TP'd. Got quite a quiet day today at work, so I'm quite excited about that. I can catch up on some admin, get some assessment reviews sent out and typed up and stuff for some clients I've seen this week. Some programming done for them lot, rehabilitation stuff. So yeah, super excited. Got this little guy that's desperate to go for a walk, so I'm just going to cut my hair now, because I cut my own hair because it's fun. I do enjoy this shit. Yeah, I'll cut my hair, have a little me time, do some yoga because I'm feeling tight in the back, and then just go hang out on the beach for a few hours. I don't have to be at work till 1 o'clock, so go to the beach, chill out with the dog. Hopefully his friends are there, and then I'll take him to work, and then he can just beg at the fucking food van all day, which I'll send you a little video of. I'm not going to do an analysis of today's trade until later on tonight when I get home, because I just think it's good practice. It's my little fun stuff. Yeah, I think it's just good practice if I do the analysis breakdowns at the end of the day, but I won't be even looking at the markets today. Today is all about organising this merge of the business moving across, which I'm super excited about, man. I've got some exciting things coming that way. So yeah, man, stay tuned for that as well. Whatever, or don't stay tuned, do what you want. But I will catch you. I've got a really fun day tomorrow as well. Tomorrow's vlog is just going to be pure madness. But yeah, cool. Catch you later. Enjoy the little analysis of later, and the little ventures and this challenge as well. It's not like just making all this money and profit in the markets. It's everywhere. It's like trying to grow my own business to the point where that ends up running itself, and hiring people to then do the service work and open up multiple locations. It's not just trading, it's trading and just business, just overall just trying to just be the best version of myself financially, to provide the lifestyle that I want for those that I care about, and this cunt. So yeah, that's the mornings of the vlog. Analysis coming later. Catch you then. Oh, he looks sad, didn't it? Oh, he looks happy now. That's odd. Little fucker.
I've got no treats, but only a love for you.
James. Yes. Asha. 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 You'd never guess he's not my dog. Had a lovely time with seeing my mum and my auntie in Manchester. Just walking through Lancaster Gardens. It's fucking beautiful around here, with the castle, grounds and the church. Just gonna head back, do some market analysis, close off for the night, and then get ready for some profit and loss reports for the week's data that we've managed to collect, and then post it up and then put a plan of action for Sunday. My friend passed his 50 grand account today, so good day for celebrating. Looking forward to catching up at some point and seeing how the weekend is. But yeah, beautiful little town. Yo, just a quick analysis to close the day. It's 11:15 at night in the UK, but you gotta capture your data, man. You gotta keep seeing the same shit. It's routine again. Been disciplined into me from my coach. Big up Drake, if you ever do watch this one day. That's jokes. This is the setup. Basically, we had this M5 fair value gap here with another fair value gap there. Again, we see this one here forming. So we entered here, stop loss above here, and we also entered here, stop loss above there. We're aiming for this low specifically because, from my opinion, it's the untapped price action point that's not been taken out yet. So on a line chart here, if you look at the purple line, didn't quite get it out. So I did actually just manually execute that as a trade, but as we're looking to come into this zone, I saw on the lower time frames that this green fair value gap here, price was reacting out of it on an M1 chart. I'm going to lose where I am now. So on an M1 chart here, I could see that price was reacting out of that M5 bear bullish fair value gap, and my overall analysis on this pair at the minute is bulls longs. So because this was reacting back up into the Bollinger Bands, I thought, do you know what, I'm just going to close the trade, take my TP. I was in good profit today, had good risk management, so I was more than happy to take that trade for a 1-to-1 and a little bit, with 2 entries on there. If price hadn't taken out this purple line and came up from here for this premium, I would have had a 3rd entry, so I would have been risking a lot more on there. The reason for this trade specifically is because if we jump over to the M15, again, got a nice M15 fair value gap in here. Price has literally came and cleared yesterday's highs. If you go to the H4 candle, it's cleared all of these H4 highs, which was last week. So it's cleared last week's high and then had a reaction back inside. So on the daily here, we cleared these highs, and then we had the market structure shift appear with the fair value gaps. So once it cleared these highs and it set up the fair value gap, it was always going to go down and liquidate some lows at some point. What ones that they were, it could have been this low, could have been these. My target was there. Premium, if I got premium 1 to 2, would have taken it out there. It all depends on how market structures change, and that's why I do like to be present mostly, because if I can see it reacting out of here close to my target, I will just close the trade or break even, pull it to break even. So that's the analysis. Entry 1 here of the first M5 fair value gap. This yellow one was an M15 fair value gap, and a second fair value gap appeared after the first one, which tells me that price is not ready to come back up yet. So price will do a little bit of a reaction out of this to liquidate some more positions, and then price just tanked it all the way to the top. I did paper trade today because I was out, and that was successful. So I'll see if I can get some screenshots of the paper trade when I was out and about. So I'll be as quickly as possible as I can with these, and I don't want to keep you guys too long. So this was a paper trade that I took. Again, same pair, took out this high here. Can I draw on this bad boy? Yeah, so I took out that high, it did a reaction, and then it did a M15 fair value gap, which pulled up really nicely, enter, and then 1, 2, 3 could have taken any of those out nicely. If we have a look at that quickly on the charts, so that was over here. We're now looking for price basically took out these highs. So over here, price took out these highs, came back down, had an M5 fair value gap here, which wasn't the cleanest. It's not the one that I was looking at. I saw the M15 fair value gap, which looked like this, and then obviously you would have had entry like that roughly. Sorry man, I'm tired. It's still recording. yeah, it's still recording. Would have had entry something like that, border 1 to 2 out of there. Again, looking at lower time frames, you could have squeezed it like that, maybe. Not really. As this trade done this second push down here, I probably would have like just tightened the entry down a bit to these highs here, or probably just broke even at that point, and just fucking, whenever I break even, and I just love to just not look at the markets and come back later in the day and just be like, man, have we made money or have we not? Like, fucking who cares, man? Who literally cares? Because life is not all about money, but if you can do it, why the fuck not, man? Anyway, that's that. Last bit was that fucking trade I took yesterday. So the trend line trade thing. So this one here, analysis was my analysis is usually not bad, but the entries, looking at it here, that was my entry here. I don't know why I'm pointing at the screen like it's going to help you lot. My entry was there and my stop loss was there, but I ended up bringing the stop loss down because I just wanted to get out of the trade. If I just left it and did a swing trade, which I don't do, swing traders leaving a trade overnight, this little dotted line, it literally might have TV'd me and just fucking tanked as well. So again, happy analysis was right, stupid, shouldn't have done it, but it's low risk, so not a big deal. And just to end it, my boy has passed his 50k account today, so yeah, mad happy for him. Yeah, just this is it, mate. Just gonna keep going at this pace, man. Slow and steady. We're not in a rush or anything. Nice, slow, steady trading. Catch the movements. What did I want to add? Yeah. So my analysis today was the reason I took the super short trade to this bottom of the here on the M5 with that pink line was because the reason the max target was there, because if you're looking at price is just like, it's just still way bullish. Price is just not coming out of that bull market, and yesterday closed above these highs, so you're likely the price is going to push out to try and take out these highs. So I know a lot of people who do trading and they're fucking mad. Like, I know some guy who got so bored of trading he just decided to start a business, and I know a lot of people would have been buying this up based on higher time frame analysis, and that's cool. That's not me. That's not the trading idea. I just want to get in, get out, get my cash, and just go about my day. I'm not here to be at the screen all day. I just got the times that I'm willing to trade, the setups I'm willing to trade, get my money, get out of here, and just fucking enjoy. So that's stress-free trading once you manage. Anyway, I'm tired. You're tired. This has become a lot longer than I thought it was. So yeah, hopefully you can hear me. Mic check, bros and hoes. Get some sleep. It's important. See you soon. Profit and loss tomorrow. So you will see some stuff, or Sunday, I don't know.